Hello, Shelley here with Shelley Can Help, and today I am going to make a whipped berry jam. It's not any regular jam, it's like whipped and fluffy, but you can do more than just put it on toast. You can put it on top of your oatmeal, you can put it on your kids' pancakes. I just want to show you that eating sweet things doesn't have to be tasteless, and eating healthy things doesn't have to be boring. So this is a really good recipe for kids and adults. So what I have going on in here is 3 cups of berries. You can use any berries that you have on hand. If they're frozen, they're going to take a little bit longer. And I have half a cup of water in here too as well. I personally today put in a cup of strawberries, a cup of blueberries, and a cup of raspberries. And mine were frozen, so I've been cooking them here for about 6 or 7 minutes on medium heat with half a cup of water. And now they're starting to steam. Berries are very antioxidant. They're loaded with the good stuff that helps us build healthy cells in our body. Antioxidants actually fight things like cancer. So we want to get as many antioxidants in our diets that we can. Just make sure when you buy your berries, if you're buying frozen, you want to make sure that they don't have added sugars in the package. Another thing is when you're buying fresh berries, you want to get organic. You don't need to get organic on every vegetable and fruit that you buy, but berries are super important because they have very thin skin and they easily absorb the pesticides that are sprayed on them. So if you get organic, you don't have to worry about the pesticides. So 3 cups of berries, half a cup of water. And now this part you can skip if you don't want to have it, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of maple syrup. If you're used to giving your kids, syrup on their pancakes and stuff, a little tiny bit of maple syrup in a big jar of whipped berry jam is going to be a lot better than just putting syrup on things. So if you want to omit this part, you can. I'm just going to do about 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. You want to make sure it's pure and that it doesn't have added sugars in it. Next up, we're going to add vanilla, probably about a teaspoon or so. Get good quality vanilla. You don't want vanilla flavoring. Make sure that it says pure vanilla extract. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to add is some cinnamon. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory. It actually helps fight inflammation in the body. Cinnamon is great. Put it on anything that you can. I love to put cinnamon in my oatmeal and my chia pudding. My 2 favorite things to put cinnamon in. Smells so good. So you're just going to give that a good stir until it gets nice and hot, and you want all your berries to be wimpy. I'm just kind of feeling them around to make sure none of them are still frozen. I think they're good. Get all those flavors blended for about 30 more seconds. Oh, y'all, I wish I had smell-o-vision. I say that all the time. The cinnamon and the vanilla mixed with the berries, because all the aromas from the berries are coming out now. Oh man, this is a great thing. You can put it on graham crackers. You can put it on top of non-dairy yogurt. Instead of buying those sugary yogurts for your kids, just get plain non-dairy like a cashew milk or an almond milk yogurt and put this on top. And they love to add things to food, so this is a great topping. And it's a healthy snack. They're getting antioxidants, right? Okay, we're gonna take it off the heat now. I'm gonna push this out of my way so I don't burn myself. And next up, we're just gonna let this cool for about 10 seconds or so, and we are gonna add in 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Just one more layer of nutrients, right? Chia seeds are antioxidants. They're a superfood. They have so many phytonutrients in them. They do a lot of good for our body. But there's a secret to chia seeds. You don't want to just put them in a smoothie and drink it right away. Chia seeds are real dense. So if you just put chia seeds in something and then consume it right away, you're just going to flush the chia seeds through your body. So in order for them to be super absorbable, you want to make sure they soak in something for like at least an hour. So if you're putting them in chia pudding, or if you're making chia pudding, or if you're putting them in something like this, you want to at least let them sit in it for an hour so they loosen and they release all of those nutrients that are so densely put into the chia seeds. All right, so we have 3 tablespoons. Just going to give that a good stir. All right. think everything's good and stirred. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt to put this in a blender without spilling. I think I'll let this cool for just about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I let the berry mixture cool about 5 minutes, and now I've put it inside a high-speed blender, and we're just gonna blend this baby up and get it that whip effect. So it's light and fluffy. Okay, I think it's done. The more it sets, the fluffier it's gonna get. Oh, that's so good. There you have it, whipped berry jam. No preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no white refined sugar, and tons of 2 things, flavor and benefits, healthy benefits. I'm telling you, the kids are gonna love this one, but everybody's gonna love it. There we have it. I can't wait to show you. Hold on, I'm putting it in my beautiful little weck jar. And I recommend letting this sit in the fridge overnight. And there you have it, whipped berry jam. You can learn more about me and all of my services at shelleycanhelp.com. And I would appreciate it if you would follow me on social media at Shelley Can Help on all social media platforms. Thank you for watching. Have an incredible day. And I have one question before I go. What is on your fork? Bye for now.